While searching for some new ideas to upcycle trash, I ran across these fantastic ideas to upcycle old jeans from the creative folks at Pinterest. There are some really beautiful ideas on this list, and I'd actually like to recreate one myself. Please vote for your favorite in the comments below and give a like indicating that you voted. Once I get 100 votes or 100 likes, I'll recreate the winning idea. To create this look, you will need to find some denim fringe, then sew the strips of it all the way down the pant legs. I think these are super cute. First, cut your pant legs on both sides all the way down the middle. Hem the area that you just cut down on both sides. Attach grommets once every inch to inch and a half. Last, lace up your pants and you are all set. This is absolutely adorable. Cut the bottoms of your pant leg to a curved fashion as shown in the image. Now sew a strip of denim to the upper part of the pant legs on each side to hold the first part of your ribbon to the bottom of the pant leg. Crisscross your ribbon as shown all the way down the middle with a cute little bow. Sew denim fringe down the sides of each pant leg. Next, cut your pant legs up the middle and hem the raw edges on each leg. Use grommets to hold the laces and lace up the pants from top to bottom, or vice versa. Find or make a pair of denim shorts. Cut them up the leg until you hit the waistband and then stop. Use bias tape to finish the raw edges, and then lace up from bottom to top. We're not done yet, but I wanted to thank you for watching the video, and if you're getting value, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss another creative post. A thumbs up would really help the channel so I can continue making videos. Today's video was brought to you by me, so please have a wonderful day. Hit the subscribe button to help support my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.